Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with Compass Real Estate up in Big Bear Lake. Today I want to walk you through our new listing at 41722 Swan Drive in Big Bear Lake. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, just listed at $825,000. So come check this one out. Okay, here we are, 41722 Swan Drive. And right down here, you'll hit Garston. Go this direction, you'll hit Garston. And also, you've got some great ski slope views from up here too, from the front porch. This way is going to take you to Eagle Point or over towards the village. And again, if you go this direction, you can get to the grocery stores, Big Bear City, Bear Mountain really easily, Snow Summit really easily. So lots of great things from being in this central Eagle Point neighborhood. So first off, I'm just gonna walk you through the house. Then we'll go to the exterior here in just a few. But we've got a side yard, and some very easy landscaping here. So it's been desert-scaped. You've got DG, you've got sprinklers. These trees are just dormant right now, but do have life to them. The whole entire lot size is 7,000 square foot. And if we take a quick look at the roof, it looks like it's in very good shape still. So walking up, you'll notice we've got some Trex decking, lifetime decking on the home. And then this great covered entry right here. And then you've got it gated for children, dogs, people. So here we are at the entry. And this is, you've got hardwood floors up here, and then like a gray laminate flooring down below in the living room. So first I'm just gonna kind of pan around the room so you can see the floor plan. So we got a nice bay window over here, which you could easily put like a wraparound sofa right here, bar top table right here. Maybe move the TV up above the fireplace. But beautiful brick fireplace with a gas starter on it to make things easy. Right there. Also, you've got the tongue and groove, beautiful ceiling and wall. So no cheap paneling in this home. Everything is built with a lot of quality. So they've got the TV on a swivel right here so that people in the kitchen can see it, but then also people in the living room. One thing I wanted to show you was we've got views of Snow Summit right from the front porch right there. So it's a great feature. So then over here would be your dining room, right underneath the light. And then here we have the kitchen. So definitely a lot of kitchen. So this one speaks to me and says that it could be a primary home, could be a secondary home, could also be a vacation rental. Having a large kitchen, nice granite countertops, you have lots of different uses for it. So you can definitely live here. A home that has a smaller kitchen, you can always rent that one. But does it have a large kitchen to entertain people with? Like I am all the way over in this corner and we have a lot. You could almost put an island here if you really wanted to. And then we've got this pop-out bay window. And the cabinets are really nice. Slide really good. Very clean. Updated appliances. Stainless steel. And stainless steel fridge. So another thing to note, we do have central heating here. I like this entryway too. We've got a hall closet. And so what we're gonna do is down the hallway, we've got bedrooms, garage, bathroom. So for the sake of it, I'm just gonna stay left on every turn right here. And we'll go that way and kind of end in the garage. So here we've got bedroom number 1 with very, very large closet. You could easily fit a queen bed in, or king bed in here. If we were to count how big it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, which probably means 12. I'm not sure if I counted right, but you get the point. You could fit a king bed in there. Especially for vacation rental, I would recommend putting kings in all of these. If not, maybe some bunks in one of the rooms so that you're able to sleep a bit more people. Because the house is 2,000 square foot, you are able to get 10 people in here for vacation rental. So 2 people, 2 people, 2 people, that's 6. Then you have the other 4 in that bedroom. So here we have just cabinetry. And then bedroom number 2. So what I like about bedroom number 2, you do have it plumbed for TV. You do have this cool little sitting area right underneath the window. Great views of Snow Summit from right there. And just a great little area to just sit and enjoy. And we've got a little area up top that you could use to decorate. And then from here, just gonna kind of show you, it looks like you've got at least another like 8-10 years on the roof as well, would be my guess. I'm not entirely sure because I'm not a roofer, but that's what I would say. So here is the closet for bedroom number 2. So that was that one. And then I'm going to say that this probably would be the room that I would put the 4 people in. So 2 bunk sets, maybe one right here, one over here. It's a larger room, but it's not the master, so makes for a good bunk room. It's nice that the ceilings are at an angle. Carpet is in almost perfect shape. Tongue and groove just on a lot of the walls. And then they too have a little pop-out window to sit at, and the ski slope views right there. And we're about to get a storm coming in right now. So here we have another little pop-out window, and it overlooks the driveway area on this side. And then you have a dual closet right here. It connects all the way. but you have 3 doors, so each person can have 1.5 doors of closet. And we're gonna go into the master, which is gonna be pretty much the exact same size, complete replica of the bunk room, I would call it. So definitely a king bed, probably along this wall right here. Put the headboard right there. Headboard could also go where I'm at, but I mean, that could be your TV wall. Let's look at it the other direction. That's maybe your headboard wall right there. So anyways, same view here. You've got the driveway right here. And then you've got a walk-in closet. And the other cool thing is that you have a vault in here. So I'm not sure how big it is. We didn't get in there the other day, but nice to know that you have that option and then access to the attic. So then we have the bathroom. Nice shiny black tile. And you could either put like a hamper here or like a vanity here to sit at. Oh, I missed this light. Here we have the black toilet. Everything's just black. It's kind of neat. I hear nowadays these are very expensive and harder to come by. And then you also have a seating area in the tub. So obviously you can take a bath, but you can also sit back and just enjoy. And then also a skylight as well. So next I'm gonna go down because we still have one more bathroom to go to. So here we have more closet, cabinet space right here for the bathroom. And then this bathroom hosts the laundry room. So you've got this nice little, you can put a hamper in here, kind of use this flap to throw it in there. Folding area, laundry. And then this is an ironing board. And then a pink toilet. I've not ever looked in to see how much a pink toilet cost, but I might do that. See which one's more expensive. All right, so now we're gonna go into the garage. And this is a 2-car attached garage. And it's really deep. So you can fit 1 car here and then a car or a boat. I mean, there's the potential you could get 3 cars in here for sure. And you've got a vacuum, whole house vacuum. I would walk it and count it again, but I'm not sure that it does anything. I will just tell you, if you have a boat and it's not incredibly long, that you can probably fit it in here. And then what I like about it, you've got electrical like every 6 feet. It's nicely done. You've also got it drywalled, and then you've got a utility room right here for the water heater that is strapped properly, and also the furnace. So now I'm gonna take you outside and let you see the deck, and then we'll also see what it looks like going around the house on the outside. Let me grab my shoes. Always be respectful of a clean house and don't wear your shoes inside. Okay, so here we are, side deck. It's mostly a side deck because the house sits really far back at the property line right here, but it is gated down here. And then you've got grass over here. Oh, and you can maybe see him. There's a little bunny right there. He's like a baby bunny. Let's see if he wants to stay put. I'll go say hello to him. Oh, he took off. Well. So out here in the grassy area, great little area if you've got a dog. You could also open up this fence for more parking too. Probably have to have a little bit of a different approach coming off of it though. Coming in from the street, I mean. So here we have the back of the house. And I'm going to walk you over towards the garage part. See, if you wanted to, just like this neighbor did, you could have an entryway with more parking here if you wanted to. I like that the stairwell is super wide right here. You've got some nice sidewalks. Gas meters nicely hidden behind the rose bush. This is the garage window. And then here we have the driveway. So there you have it. The address again is 41722 Swan Drive over in Big Bear Lake area, Eagle Point neighborhood. Very easy, probably like normally a 3-minute drive to Snow Summit, probably about a 3-minute drive to Vaughn's and Stater Brothers, about a 5-minute drive to the Village, 5-minute drive to Bear Mountain. And of course, these are if you're the only person on the road at the time, but just to get an idea. So, and then right around the corner from the hospital too. 41722 Swan, just listed for $825,000. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Talk to you soon. Bye.